Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make masala fries. We'll need sliced potatoes, washed, add some salt, mix your salt evenly using your hands, or you can do it this way. In a pan, add oil and start frying your fries. As you can see, the fries are ready. You're gonna set them aside, and in another pan we're going to fry our onions. So add some oil, onions, add on your red bell pepper, add garlic paste and tomato sauce, add some ketchup and give it a good mix. Here we are going to also use some spices. I've used paprika, curry powder, black pepper, turmeric powder, salt, and crushed chili. We're going to add all of this in here and give it a good mix. And once this is ready, we'll let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes and we'll add the fries. Here we're going to toast the fries gently as we are coating them with the sauce. And as you can see, this is very yummy and delicious, and the aroma is to die for. Add some cilantro if you like. This will give it a great aroma as well. And I've also added extra crushed chili. I love mine extra spicy. So I've also added ketchup on here. If you want, you can have your ketchup on the side. And as you can see, the fries are ready to eat. And you can serve with either a chicken, sausage, or I've eaten mine with eggs. And if this is your first time to visit my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share my video. And don't forget to hit that notification button so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you on my next video.